And we as South Africa should shed this badge of dishonor that we have around the world. When people look at our country, they see a country that is rife with gender-based violence. It is a scourge. It is a shame. It is something that as men we cannot be proud of. And it is a blight on our country. Ukuthi umhlaba wonke, the whole world, when they look at us, when they look at South Africa, they say that is the home of gender-based violence. We've got to end this. We must wear the badge of honor, the badge of respect for men, by men of women, where men treat women like their own mothers, where men treat women like they would treat their grandmothers, where men would treat women like they would treat their daughters, where we give maximum respect as we do to our mothers, because I know that every man amongst us here, we love our mothers dearly. Angithi kunjalo? Yes. We love our mothers, and equally we must love the women who bring life into this world, and we must respect them. So I would like us to spread this message. Comrade Angie Motshekga says this is it's not the only one of the events. We are going to have many more events. But I would like each one of us, that's why I was saying those who are making noise must shut up. Because they must listen and they must take this message throughout the communities where we come from. This message must ring and ring in the hearts and the minds and the ears of all the men of South Africa and all the men throughout the country. This is a most important message. If you've never heard of an important message, this is it. Because the respect of each other as human beings is a fundamental right. And the respect of women, where we as men stop treating women as though they are our possessions. Women are not the possessions of men. God never decreed it in that way. So as a man, forget it. The woman you either love or married to or know is not your possession. And more importantly, she is not your football for you to kick her around. What you should do is to respect her and treat her with dignity. So let us live up to what our Constitution teaches us. The respect for the dignity of others, for the